find me funny. Maybe you will find me true. I can't help think about all the things we'll do.
More back on your side.
Don't steal away together. Oh, staying in the beach is fine. If it's you and I, babe, wouldn't it be nice? All this make-believing, far-away dreaming, there is just one catch. That's how I'm gonna make you mine, mine, mine.
Alright, let her out. Alright, go.
Let's go. Let's go to the water. Come on.
Let's go. You do your thing.
Over this way. Quick, quick, quick. She's very unsure.
What is this thing?
It looks like it's working.
Yeah.
Hard to reach, isn't it?
There goes all my gear. Hey, Christina. Christina. What you got? What's in the box?
Okay, so today's little kayak ride comes with a surprise parcel that we got in the mail today. It is the Explorer Magazine's Live the Adventure gear box, and we thought this would be a unique spot to do a little unboxing video because we are out on the Waikagama Bay right now. The world's, well, we call it the world, Canada's largest inland sea. For Door Lakes. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. We've kind of already taken a small sneak peek, but we haven't really looked at everything yet. So this box is a quarterly subscription where you get a new box 4 times a year, and they're all seasonal stuff that inspires adventure, as well as the Explorer Magazine latest edition. You also get access to the Facebook community that encourages different challenges, adventure activities to do, and prizes there as well. We'll link everything so that you can see it all. So this summer's Live the Adventure gear box has Buff, like the name brand Buff. Okay, put that there. Don't fall. Alright, what's this? Oh wait, I think we have like a... There we go. So, more information. Where is the information?
Or just go over everything. You were doing good.
Oh, whatever. So, next item is a camping cookware with a kettle. So we got this here. How am I doing? I'm sitting backwards in a kayak.
You're doing great.
It's not easy.
Indy's just back there, like,
Yeah,
loving the view.
our dog is just back there enjoying herself. She loves the water. So this is
I think this is great. This
is so
thing
cool.
is like a little teapot.
and I love how it all fits and collapses into each other. So there's a teapot, a pot, and then another pot panish thing on the bottom as well. And that all fits in there. Perfect for camping. Speed this part up. I'll put that right here. Next thing is an extra large round towel. So summertime the living is easy, and this is a perfect towel for the beach or trails. We'll open it up back on the dock. What else do we have in here? So we have some laces that are quick release and no tie laces. Boop. Boop. Some hand warmers, which are something that I actually really need sometimes when we're camping because I have very sensitive fingers and toes. Hand sanitizer, and like we said, the latest edition of the Explore Summertime magazine for 2020. So this is just a tiny taste of what you can get with this, and yeah, it's pretty exciting.
Well done.
I think that it's exciting that you kind of forget about it, and then you get something to look forward to. Having magazine subscriptions is the coolest gift you could ever give somebody, because at Christmas time or their birthday, it's exciting because they get to open up one magazine, but then they kind of forget about it, and then they receive more magazines either quarterly or every month. And I think that's just the gift that keeps on giving.
We got a new lens. It's a 70 to 200. It's a beast. Thoughts on it? It's a beast?
It is a beast. I haven't gotten to use it yet.
Yeah, same. I'm gonna use it right now. Oh, we got a new lens. Let's take it to the middle of the lake.
That sounds like something we would do.
Yeah. So this is at 70 millimeters. Hi.
Are you seeing anything? Can I try?
And this is 200. Careful. You got it?
Yeah.
Got the strap?
Now I do.
The sun is coming out. Welcome to the island. You know any words? Wow. Damn, look at those pipes. Towards the island.
But don't tell me about yourself, 'cause I don't need any more help to fall for you. Oh, and I've never thought about how I can live without your sweet.
Go see Mom. Go on. Go see Mom. Indy, go see Mom.
Don't tell me about yourself, 'cause I don't need any more help to fall.
Look at this, like. Not impressed. Yes, I'm talking about you.